Subscribe to Eckovation and press the bell icon to watch the latest technology videos first.
Hey guys, welcome back to this fantastic tutorial presented to you by Eckovation. In the previous video, we had studied about blockchain technology, what is blockchain, the characteristics of blockchain, and the disruptive combination of blockchain technology. In this video, we are going to study about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which basically made blockchain famous. Even though the blockchain is the underlying technology, but it was recognized after quite some time since the arrival of Bitcoin. So we will start with let's see what is Bitcoin. The origin and the history of Bitcoin. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto, an anonymous person or probably a group of persons, first gestated and implemented the blockchain database as an infrastructure for Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency ever created. If you navigate through browser and check Bitcoin white paper, you can see the first white paper, that is the technical paper, which was published by Satoshi Nakamoto. This is the one. Coming back to slides. Satoshi Nakamoto used a block and chain separately in his paper in 2008 October, the white paper which I just now showed you. He never mentioned blockchain as a single word. The words block and chain were used separately. Later with time it became a single word called blockchain. From 2014 onwards, blockchain 2.0 is the term referred to the new applications of blockchain. So we will understand blockchain 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. Bitcoin was basically blockchain 1.0. Before we move forward, let's understand a little bit of academic perspective, that is the history of Bitcoin. So as mentioned, the first white paper was published in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto, written as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. As you can see, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. In 2009, Satoshi mines the Genesis block of 50 Bitcoin in January. What is Genesis block? As we know, blockchain is collection of blocks linked to each other. The first block in the blockchain is called Genesis block. Bitcoin version 0.1 released on this website, which is no longer right now. First Bitcoin transaction was also done on a free node. In 2010, ironically, we had 2 pizzas bought for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, the value of 1 Bitcoin is approximately $8,000. To check the value, you can go to your favorite browser and check CoinMarketCap. So in this, you can get the value of many cryptocurrencies as well as Bitcoin. So it's approximately $8,000. But obviously, the pizza was not worth $8 million or probably more than that. In 2010, the value of Bitcoin was very less, something 10 cents or probably less. Then we had Bitcoin exchanges where we can liquidify Bitcoin to US dollars. Mt. Gox was one of the first Bitcoin exchanges where you can execute such a transaction, converting Bitcoin to fiat currencies. First specialized GPU hash miners and pool mining operation. In Bitcoin, you might have heard something about proof of work, where a miner perform operation called proof of work. In that, we have specialized machines for such activity. For such operation, those machines are called GPU hash miners. And people, that is the participants in the Bitcoin network, can also mine together in a team, which is called as pool mining. In 2008, Bitcoin takes parity with US dollars. So we had Bitcoin and US dollars coming into one wallet. Price goes up to $31, which was the first bubble, and drops back to $2. In 2013, it started growing slowly. We had something called Silk Road, where Bitcoin was used Silk Road is a website which I don't recommend at all to visit, but mainly for illegal activities. So Bitcoin, since you are anonymous, you can use Bitcoin for transactions. In November, Bitcoin breaks the record of $1,000, and in December it crashes to $600. In 2014, Mt. Gox, which I mentioned, started in 2010, it shut down. Price continued to fall due to false report of Bitcoin ban in China, and the price from 1000 came down to 450. Early 2015, the price was still falling, and it fell to 225 to $250 and shot up in October to a record high of $504. So in 2016, it reached a maximum of $750 and price stabilized in a low range of 600. And as the Chinese renminbi depreciated against the US dollars, Bitcoin rose to upper 700. So as you know, people started to dump Chinese fiat currency, which is the Chinese renminbi, and buy Bitcoins. So that's why the price of Bitcoin grew in 2016. 2017, after every pump, there is always a low. Okay, whenever there's a price pump in Bitcoin, we should always expect a price drop as well. The price fell by 30%. Then it again went up to almost 1300 US dollars in November 2017, and it reached the maximum in 2017, that is $2,500, one Bitcoin to $2,500. Imagine, it is not backed by any gold, any government. It is completely based on demand and supply, on consensus between buyer and seller, and on speculation to a certain extent. The story of 2018 and 2019 you are already aware of. In 2018 December, Bitcoin jumped to $19,000. You can also check the price on CoinMarketCap with the help of the graph. If you check for 2018 till 2019, in December, December, the price hit to $19,000, and it was $15,000 for quite some time. So this is for, as you can see, the price almost $19,000 on 18th December 2017, and in 2018 still it was around 15, but really dropped very badly to $6,000, went up to $10,000 and went on going down. Now there's a slight increase. So how was Bitcoin different than other traditional fiat currencies? We'll understand that in the next video. Hope you have enjoyed this. See you next time, guys. Bye.